Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the frame and screen. Look for dents, loose corners, or old spline that stops a good seal. First, remove remaining spline with pliers and a flat screwdriver. This clears the channel and reveals damage. Once done, lay the new mesh over the frame and make sure the weave aligns with the window. Small wrinkles will be removed later. This step sets the foundation. If the frame is bent, straighten it now so the replacement sits evenly and seals properly. You now stretch and anchor the mesh. Center it over the frame with about 1 to 2 inches of overlap on all sides and hold it taut. Start at the center of one long side, press spline into the channel with the roller, work toward a corner, then repeat opposite side to balance tension. Make sure the mesh is firm but not overstretched. Too tight will distort the frame, too loose will sag. Once all sides have spline in place, trim excess leaving a clean edge. You finish by trimming the mesh close to the spline, about 1/4 inch, using a sharp utility knife. Cut slowly along the channel for a neat result. Then check corners and edges for gaps. If you see any, remove nearby spline and reseat it, or press the mesh more firmly into the channel. Finally, test the screen by pressing around the perimeter to confirm a tight seal. If a small tear appears, use clear adhesive to patch quickly. If persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.